What's going on, everyone? We have a 2026 Cobalt R4. Love this walkthrough here, so you're not stepping on any furniture. You have a very beautiful sun pad that you can rotate this, so you can sit backwards or have it be a very comfortable seating arrangement in the cockpit. You also have a lot of really deep storage in this boat, which I love. You can fit everything that you need for the day. Here's another reversible chair where you can lay this way or put it back and you can face forward with your bolster seats. Got a really nice audio in here with JL audio. Dual screen dash with all of your lights that are just the push buttons, which I think's really nice feature. Wireless charger, have your digital throttle. Coming into the bow, another really nice seating area. Deep seats with cup holders. This boat is in the Nisswa showroom, so come check it out today.